Hello again. Guess who's back? Me? Who you think is behind the camera?
As usual, it's me.
It's Palina today again. My wife is with a client again as usual. We're back again to cook another very special dish. It's a Cornish hen. I'm gonna do this time a little bit different. I'm gonna do this Cornish hen the same style of chicken tabaka. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the chicken tabaka, but I'm gonna do my own take with the Cornish hen, something very delicious with some roasted potatoes and mushrooms and some greenery. Okay, so let's start. Right, Palina? Are you excited?
Yep, I'm very excited.
Because I'm very hungry. So let's start and we'll show you step by step. So we're gonna do a Cornish hen, the same style as chicken tabaka, with my own take. Okay, we're gonna do some roasted young potatoes, some mushrooms on the side, some greenery, as you see over here. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna split my Cornish hen for two, just like that. Cover it with a plastic wrap on top. Take my meat mallet and start pounding. That should be good. We'll take it and put it right here. Now we're gonna make the olive oil. So what we're gonna do is add olive oil. Inside the olive oil, salt, approximately this much, black pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and shawarma mix. I love to smell this thing before I use it. I don't know why.
It smells so good.
And we're gonna put some dry parsley. It's windy, it's flying. Approximately that's how much I put thyme inside. And if you want the easy way out, just take one, hold it like that, hold the beginning and go back, and it all comes off, and you just put it over here. Okay? And I'm gonna add inside my mixture a little bit of honey. See, approximately this much. Okay, mix everything up and I'm gonna rub it all over the chicken.
Ooh, it already looks so good.
Yeah, it does, right?
It smells amazing.
All right, we're gonna turn it over. And we're gonna put on the other side the same thing what we did in there. Now that we put the seasoning on top, we're gonna marinate it for at least 20 minutes. So now that our Cornish hen is marinating, we're gonna prepare the seasoning for the young potatoes and mushroom. So we're gonna start by putting extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna chop some dill. Hey, you like dill?
I love dill. I feel like I love every herb.
Yeah, me too. I love greenery. We're gonna take thyme, approximately this much, and we're gonna take the leaves off. Just one more time, a quick chop. I'm gonna add the whole thing into my olive oil. We're gonna take 3 garlic and we're gonna grate it. We're gonna add some salt right now, approximately this much. Black pepper, paprika, and we're gonna add honey. Mix the whole thing. Looking good, no, Palina?
Mm-hmm. It really does.
Now we're gonna take all our young potatoes, put it over here. Mushrooms, put it in here. Take all our seasoning, add it. Now we're gonna mix everything up. See this thing, Palina? Isn't it cool?
I can smell it. It smells amazing.
That smells good, no?
It smells so good.
Looking good? It smells amazing.
Yeah, it really does.
Now that we mix everything, we're gonna put everything inside the tray. We're gonna cover it and leave it on the side for approximately 15 minutes. I'm sure you're wondering to yourself, what am I doing with bricks? Right? Palina, aren't you wondering also?
I am. I'm kidding.
This is the bricks gonna go on top of the chicken to lay a pressure, and it has a nice weight to it. Here I have a tin foil. I'm gonna put my brick inside, fold it nicely. Same thing on this side. So make sure, if you use brick like me, make sure you fold it on the edges over here, because this is the side that's gonna go on top of the Cornish hen. Okay, so that's the way it has to look. It was marinated for approximately 20 minutes. We're gonna put on each chicken just like that, and one on this side, and we're gonna put it inside just like that. And our young potatoes and mushroom also was marinated for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. And we're gonna put it right on this side. on 350 degrees. Okay, so we're gonna close it. This is approximately has to cook around 40 minutes to 1 hour. I'll keep you posted as we go, okay? We'll see you soon. Now we're gonna make a nice dipping sauce. So what we have over here is 1 whole red pepper, 3 tomatoes. Inside we're gonna add some cilantro, 2 garlic, and half of jalapeno. Now we're gonna add kosher salt and black pepper. Let's mix it. Wow, it smells so good, Pauline.
It does.
Yeah.
It looks so good.
Okay, let me taste it a little bit. Perfect. We leave it on the side until our Cornish hen / chicken tabaka is ready. All right, guys, let's see what's going on over here. Oh, looking good. Okay, now we gotta flip our chicken, okay? So let's take this break. Okay, we're gonna flip our chicken. Wait. Take our bricks again, put it right back on, and let it keep going for easily another half an hour. So now I'm gonna cut a little bit onion to put on top of my Cornish hen and some cilantro. We're gonna put it in here. So we're gonna add some kosher salt, black pepper, and white vinegar. Mix it all up. When my Cornish hen gonna be ready, I'm just gonna put it on top. Food is ready. Look at this beauty. What? Oh, look who came. How's it possible he came exactly when the food is ready? Look at this thing. Isn't it nice to be? Isn't it nice to be my wife? Look at that. Look at this thing. I think something tells me she was hiding over there. And the food got ready and she showed up. Very nice.
Oh my God.
Where's the money? Where's the money?
It looks amazing.
Okay, guys.
I'm so hungry.
Let us plate it and then we'll be back in 2 seconds. Everything is ready. That's what I call a smart life. You saw what happened, right? Me and Panini was recording when the food was ready. I just opened the grill and guess who showed up?
Calls the perfect timing.
Yeah, something tells me she's hiding over there. Okay, she comes when the food is ready. Just kidding, guys. The food is ready. We're ready to do testing.
Okay. I'm so excited. This is one of my favorite meals. I love Cornish hen. So
we call this thing, me and Panini call this thing Cornish hen / chicken tabaka.
Yes.
So it's the same way, but just a little bit different way of doing it. Okay.
Yes.
So we're gonna do a testing. Now, can I go first?
You can go first.
I'm gonna do mushroom. This is my favorite thing to eat. The mushroom is amazing.
Really? Should I try the mushroom?
Yeah.
Whoa.
The mushroom is really, really good. Okay.
I don't even know what's the ingredients inside. It tastes really good.
Of course she doesn't. She just came.
I'm really curious because I'm gonna be editing the video and I'm gonna see it while I edit. So I'm curious.
Okay, now I want to try potatoes.
Okay, I'll go for the potatoes.
Potatoes also amazing. Okay.
Wow.
Now we're gonna go Cornish hen. Which one do you want to attack?
What do you want to take? You want to take the leg?
I take the chicken wing.
Chicken wing.
I mean, the wing. I said chicken wing.
It is a chicken, but the wing,
Okay.
but there's not that much meat on it.
No, but that's what I want. Okay, I'm gonna take this one.
You know what? I'm gonna take from this side. I'm gonna take the breast.
Okay. Okay, so you go first.
Oh my god.
Does it taste good? Guys, she really doesn't know what's the ingredients. So if she says, "Oh my god,"
Wow.
it's good. What's that? Let me taste it. Can I taste it?
The breast is so moist. Usually the breast in the chicken, like a big chicken, is very dry, but over
really-
here it's so moist.
You know, since in our family we start eating a lot of those Cornish hen, I kind of prefer this thing over the chicken.
I agree.
It tastes much better. It's much more moist and it's smaller, so it just everything tastes a little bit different than the chicken. Am I right or
I
wrong?
agree. Can I?
I think I kind of prefer.
Can I try your salad?
Yeah, try. I want to try it too.
So originally the chicken tabaka you have to eat with the sauce. So this is your creation. Wow, I'm gonna try the sauce on its own.
Guys, everything tastes amazing.
Wow.
Lana here is recording. She wants to eat also. Right?
Yes.
It was great to be with you. Try this thing at home. It tastes amazing. It's really very, very interesting food. Okay, she's gonna finish it off while I'm eating.
And this concludes our recipe video. I'm sure it was amazing and you guys enjoyed it. Unfortunately, I wasn't here to witness the whole process, but I'm sure I'm gonna watch the video to see and learn how he does it.
Yeah.
It was absolutely delicious. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified when we post our recipe tutorials.
Yes,
and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please also follow all our social medias.
And the chicken breast does taste good.
Right?
Very moist. Yeah, I mean, it's really, really moist. Guys, great to be with you. Thank you for all your nice comments as usual. If you want to check me out, you can always check me out at LB Diamond 23 West 47th Street. And if you need professional, I'm talking about makeup, remember, this is the girl, okay? If you want to do makeup on your own, always follow Paulina. She's amazing. She does amazing,
we are
amazing
full
job.
package.
Yeah, we are a full package. Guys, great to be with you. Hope to see you next time. Stay safe. Try this recipe at home. See you next time.
And please let us know if you tried. We would love to hear about it.
Salute.
Salute.